Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Somebody sent me this box. Ew. It's a drag queen, cross-dresser, transvestite mystery box, and I'm gonna see what it contains. It's quite heavy, it's quite big. Ooh. And I need to check it out. And this is a body. Also very cute. In mesh and some shiny spandex material here and there. Well, it's quite cute. I think this will fit me good. Thank you very much. And here is another top. It's a leopard top. Very cute. Thank you very much. From cross-dresser to cross-dresser, you know. A body slash bathing suit. Cute. And now this is really interesting. This is a red body with a zipper front. Very stretchy material, as y'all can see. It's one of those, you know what that means, read my lips body. And now here comes the interesting part. The heels. These are like kind of purple brownish color. I don't know if the camera picks it up. Never been used. Size 47. These are huge. 47. How come? They don't look like 47. I need to try them on. Yep, they're huge. They're huge. The other boot. Now these are cute. These toeless boots or bootlets. There's the other one. They are used, but they're definitely in good condition, and I know these are my size because I can tell. Yeah, these are good. Well, buckled heels, which thankfully has a zipper on the other side, so you don't have to, you know, open up one buckle at a time, because that is just not the way we do it. And here was the other one. So there are two of them, of course. It's a complete set of boots. Thank you very much. Size. It doesn't tell, but I'm gonna try this on. I think these are size 45. And next we have these clog-like heels. Strap platform heels. These are completely new, never been worn. Quite cute. And now we have these really tall boots, like tremendously tall boots. Like these might be the tallest thigh-high boots I've ever seen. Yeah, they're really tall. And the sizing, it doesn't tell. And here's the other one. And this is what they look like together. It's nearly impossible to film these tall boots. Ooh, there is some kinky stuff in here, like this spandex body. It's almost a Catwoman body. Cute. Here is another body with strategically placed zippers, might I add. And now this is where it gets interesting. This is like the holy grail of the box. It's another body in this shiny vinyl PVC material. It's very soft. And this one is the Barbie version of that black vinyl body. It's this hot pink. Hot pink body with built-in boots. What do you know? This one is a tall Mama Barbie. And she is very, very, very much pretty in pink. And I honestly cannot wait to try this on. Thanks for watching. Ciao!